Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, o anong oras man yun napanood ang video ito. Welcome sa ating channel, Matuto Dapat. Our lesson for today is normal distribution, and this is your Professor, Engineer Eduardo Tapia. So this is the definition. A probability distribution that is symmetric about the mean is the normal distribution. This is also called the Gaussian distribution. This shows that data close to the mean occur more frequently than the data distant from the mean. The normal distribution will show up as a bell curve on a graph. So para siyang kampana, no? So yun po yung ating normal distribution. Now, the proper term for the probability bell curve is called a normal distribution. And in a normal distribution, the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. It has a zero skew and a kurtosis of 3. So yun po yung sa normal distribution natin. So 0 ang skewness kasi ibig sabihin yung mean at ang median ay equal. Okay, so kaya 0 yung ating skewness. Ang kurtosis naman ay 3. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya platycortic, hindi din siya leptocortic, and that is normal, no? Normal. O tinatawag nating mesocortic, okay? Normal distribution are symmetrical, but not all symmetrical distributions are normal. Alright, so we have here the bell curve. Ito yung ating normal distributions. If we have, okay, the center here, okay, itong gitna natin, ito yung ating mean, and that is 0. Okay, and then from the mean going to the left, and that is the negative z value. Okay, from the mean to the right, that's the positive z value. So from negative z to positive z, positive 1. From negative 1 ng z natin to positive 1, the area of that distribution ay 68.27%. Okay, from negative 2 na z hanggang positive 2 na z, so ang ating area mula dito ay 95.45%. Okay, so mula sa negative 1 papunta dito, okay, yan ay 68.28%. Okay, from negative 2 papunta naman dito, okay, ito naman ay 95.45%, and then from 3, no, from 3, from negative 3 hanggang positive 3, okay, so dito, ayan, ang ating area naman dyan ay 99.73%, almost 100% na, kasi ang total area ng ating normal distribution ay 100%. So this is the standard normal table of Z, right? Okay, the standard normal distribution table. So the probability that a normal distributed random variable Z with variance equal to 1 and mean equal to 0 is smaller than or equal to Z, small z, is given by the standard normal distribution table. Only positive values of Z, and that is Z values, on the right side of the mean are affected or yung counted natin. In practical terms, this implies that you can just look up the value in the table if someone asks you to determine the likelihood that a number is smaller than A, or the positive value of a positive value of Z. Okay, we refer to that in the region as P. So the probability of Z, capital Z, is less than Z na maliit is equal to the P of Z, o the value in the area ng Z. For this table when Z is positive. So, titingnan natin. So, diagrammatically, the probability of z less than z, maliit na z, being p of z, as determined from the standard normal distribution table is shown below. Okay, so as we can see, this is the probability less than a z value. If this is the positive, kung ito ay ating positive z, okay, yan, ito yung positive z na small z. So, yung area counted doon sa ating table ay from the mean papunta lang kay z. Okay, papunta lang po dyan. So, from the mean papuntang z. So, the probability that less than a z value, ibig sabihin, yung probability, ang hinahanap natin ay, so, yan po yung ating total area. No? So, ito. Yung shaded natin, yun yung total area. And this is less than z. So, para makuha natin itong P of z, so we have the P value, ito yung ating z value here, okay, plus 0.5. Okay? Bakit? Kasi from the mean, no, to the left ay 0.5, tapos from the mean to the right ay 0.5. Yan. So, yung area nito, from the mean papuntang kaliwa at yung papuntang kanan ay 0.5. Kaya nga, ang tawag natin ay symmetrical. Ibig sabihin, yung ating normal distribution curve natin o yung bell curve natin, from the mean papuntang kaliwa at kanan ay parehas lang po yan. No? Symmetrical po siya. O para bang humarap ka lang sa salamin, no? So, kabilang side at kabila, parehas lang po. Okay, example, find the probability of z less than 2.49. Okay, so the value of z in this case ay located at z equals 2.49. Ito po yung ating z value here. Okay. Yan. And that is 2.49. Yan, 2.49. So, hinahanap po natin ay mula dito, okay, from z papuntang kaliwa. No, papuntang kaliwa lahat yan kasi less than niya. Okay? So, papuntang kaliwa. Kaya, solution, ang ating z ay 2.49 at ang equivalent p nito, equivalent area ng ating z, okay, ito, mula sa mean papuntang z value ay sabi doon ay 0, okay, 0.49, okay, that is 0.4936. Yan. Okay? So that is 0.4936. Yun po yung value ng ating P. No? So, P of Z, so kukunin natin tong lahat ng kulay blue. So that is 0.4936 plus 0.5. So, ang B of Z natin ay 0.9936. Yun yung pinaka-area nung naka-shaded blue. So, therefore, the probability that Z is less than 2.49 ay 0.9936. Okay? So, yun po yung ating shaded area. Kung hanapin natin yan dito sa ating table, so you have 2.4. Okay, itong nasa kanan natin na side. Yan, ito. So, tingnan natin yung Z natin dito. Yan, Z. Tapos, 2.4. Tapos, takbo ka ng 0.9. So, ang mangyayari niyan ay lalabas yung ating value. Okay? Number 2, find the probability that z of z greater than negative 1.15. So, probability of z, negative 1.15. So, solution at ang kukunin natin yung positive value ng z kasi nga gaya ng sinabi natin kanina ay symmetrical to. So, yung size mula sa mean papuntang kanan at yung mula sa mean papuntang kaliwa ay parehas lang yon. So, kung 1.15 na negative ito, sa kaliwa to no? Kaliwa ng mean, ayan. So, kunin natin yung positive value ng 1.15. At ang area niya ay 0.3749. Okay? So, yun ang dadali natin dito sa kaliwa. So, galing sa ating mean, from the mean papuntang z value. So, ito po yung ating 0. Okay, ito po yung ating 0.49. Okay? So, mula po dito sa ating, yan, itong arrow natin, papuntang mean, yun po yung ating 0.49, 0.3749. Okay, so from the mean papuntang z. Tapos, since greater than negative 1.15, so mula sa negative z, papuntang kanan po tayo. Kaya ang total natin, ang P of z ay 0.8749. Therefore, the probability that z is greater than negative 1.15 is 0.8749. Okay, so yun po yung ating shaded na kulay blue. So the probability of capital Z less than negative Z, as explained above, the standard normal distribution table only provides the probability for values between mean and a positive Z value. So positive lang kasi yung given, di ba? So that is Z values on the right hand side of the mean. So how do we calculate the probability below the negative Z value as illustrated below? So, paano naman kung ito ay nandun sa gilid, no? Nasa gilid. And that is B of negative Z. So, itong area na to. Kasi ang alam natin, yung given area natin kasi kanina ay from the mean papuntang Z value lang. So, paano naman itong nasa gilid? Okay? So, we start by remembering that the standard normal distribution has a total area of probability equal to 1, and it is also symmetrical about the mean. Meaning, half of the graph is 0.5. Thus, we can do the following to calculate negative z value, and we need to appreciate that the area under the curve covered by P of Z, capital Z, greater than Z, is the same as the probability less than negative Z, and that is the probability of Z less than negative Z, as illustrated below. So, itong ating P of negative Z, ay parehas lang po yun kung dito siya na side na sa kabilang area. So, ang ating solution ay P of negative Z is equal to 0.5 minus P, where itong P na to ay positive value to. Okay? So, example, find the probability of Z greater than 1.95. So, ang ating given, the probability of Z greater than 1.95. Alam natin that the solution at ang Z natin ay 1.95, yung area na yan ay 0.744. Okay, ito ay nanggagaling sa mean papuntang Z lang, itong unshaded area. Okay? So, ito yan, that is 0.74 0.4744. Okay? So, ito lang yung area na ito, unshaded. Ang hinahanap natin itong shaded area kasi greater than 1.95. So, therefore, the P of negative Z is equal to 0.5 minus, bakit 0.5? Saan galing ang 0.5? Yun po yung from the mean papuntang kanan na area, di ba? Yung sinabi natin kanina. So, this is 0.5. Okay? So, ayan. Or 50% ng graph natin. Okay? So minus natin itong unshaded na 0.4744, minus natin ito. So ang matitira itong shaded area. So ang ating P of negative Z is 0.0256. So therefore, the probability that Z greater than 1.95 ay 0.0256. Okay? So yun po yung ating shaded area. So paano po natin siya makikita dito? So 1.95, ayan. And then sa 0.05 kasi 1.9, 1.9 ang Z. So 1.9 tapos 0.05. So that is 0.744. Okay, so find the probability of Z less than negative 2.06. So less than negative 2.06. So less than. So ito yung Z natin nandito. Okay. So ito po ang ating area dito ay ito po yung ating Z. Okay, but this is negative. Okay, yan po yung negative 2.06. So, ang kukunin natin ay ang positive value ng Z. So, yung positive value niya, yung katumbas dito sa kabila na side. No? Positive value. So, yun po ang ating kukunin. So, from the mean, papunta dito ay that is 0.4803. Yun din ay galing dito sa mean papunta sa kabila. Okay? So, 0.4803. So, therefore, the P of Z, negative Z, is 0.5 minus 0.4803. So, the P of negative Z ay 0.0197. Alright? So, therefore, the probability that Z is less than negative 2.06 is equal to 0.0197. Okay? So, ayan. Making this connection is very important because from the standard normal distribution table, we can calculate the probability less than Z as Z is now a positive value, imposing P of Z less than small z on the above graph is illustrated below. So, yung shaded natin, yung kulay blue, ay P of Z natin, okay? So, that's the P of Z, kulay yung shade, ay ito, violet pala. Tapos, ang kabila naman ay itong maliit ay P of negative Z. Ayan. Okay, so another one, number 5. Find the probability between Z negative 1.03 and Z 2.10. So, we have na the probability of Z greater than negative 1.03 and Z less than 2.10. So, mayroon tayong dalawang value ng Z. Tapos, ang kukunin natin yung gitna nilang dalawa. So, solution, ang ating Z na 1.03, ang p-value ay 0.3485. Ang kabila naman, yung isang Z ay sa 2.10 ay 0.4821. So, ipag-plus natin yung dalawa kasi, bakit? Dahil, alam natin that from the mean, okay, from the mean papunta dito, ito ay 0.3485. Tapos, from the mean papunta naman dito sa kanan, okay, that is 0.4821. So, total nilang dalawa, di ba? So, i-plus lang natin yung dalawang area, nakukuha na natin yung kabuuan. Okay? So, that is, ang P of Z natin ay 0.806. So, that is the probability natin. Now, the probability that P is less than, ay greater than 1. Yung Z natin, the probability that Z is greater than negative 1.03 but less than 2.10 ay 0.8306. So, yun po yung ating pinaka-area. Again, we have to find the probability between z of negative 1.38 and z equals negative 2.24. Okay, so ating z ay the probability of z less than negative, greater than negative 2.24 but less than negative 1.38. Okay, so solution, ang z na 2.24, ang p-value natin ay 0.4875. Yun yung ating area. Ang z na 1.38, ang area ay 0.4162. So, i-minus natin to. So, bakit natin siya i-minus? Kasi, itong negative 2.24, yun yung mayroong 0.4875. Okay? So, from the mean, yan, mula sa mean, papunta sa kanya, okay, that is 0.4875. Itong isa, yung negative 1.38, ito yung unshaded, ito. Okay? So, ngayon, tanggalin natin tong unshaded para makuha natin tong area na to. Yan, yung shaded lang. Okay? So, ito yung ating hinahanap, ito. So, itong mahaba, 0.4875, bawasan natin itong unshaded na 0.4162. So, ano natin try? Yun yung ating the area ng z, o 0.0713. So, the probability that z is greater than negative 2.24 but less than negative 1.38 ay 0.713. Okay? Next, find the probability between the mean and z equals 1.99. So, ang mean natin ay 0. So, the probability that z is greater than 0 but less than 1.99, ang p-value ng 1.99 ay 0.4767. Ang tapos 0, so ma-minus lang natin sa 0. So, ganun pa rin ang ating sagot. So, the p of z is 0.4767. So, that is the shaded area. Now, this is your activity to answer. No? So, pwede kayo magpatulong sa mga may alam sa normal distribution. Okay? So, practice lang. Sabi nga natin, more practice para matuto. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat. Thank you very much. God bless sa inyong lahat.